Hello everyone, good morning. Myself Rishabh Singh, I am again present here in front of you to tell you something about the earth. Because as we all know, our earth is losing its greenery day by day. So what is that reason? This is not done by the only one reason. As we all know, there are so many reasons from this earth is losing its greenery. So let's discuss one by one what is that reason. The first reason, if you try to discuss, the first one is population, because as we all know, our world population is increasing at a very fast pace, and if the population is increasing, then we need a housing system so that our population can live. So making the houses, we should have to be cut the trees, lots of trees. That's why in this place deforestation takes place. The second point is agriculture is also led to deforestation, because as we all know, agriculture was started 12,000 years ago, and since then humans have cleared 5.8 trillion trees. So from this point you easily understand how agriculture is led to the deforestation, how agriculture impacted our greenery of the earth. Third point. Third point is industrialization further decreased the number of trees. Because as we all know, if we want to set up a factory of any type of things, to make any type of things, we should have to be require a lot of space from where we start our industrialization. And by this process, industrialization will lead to cut much more trees. This also result in deforestation. Mining, fourth point is mining also result in the deforestation, because mining also require a lot of space. Fifth point, as the population is increasing, that's why we need a lots of energy. So producing lots of energy, we should have to be set up a like solar plant and wind energy and many type of other plant stations, so that we can consume energy from this type of systems. Sixth point is, as we see in the current scenario, increasing fires will also lead to the deforestation, because in this process much more forest cover will also get cleared by this forest fire. Sixth point. And the seventh point, if you want to discuss, is that seventh point is infrastructure. Because if our population is increasing at a very fast pace, then we also will also have to be make infrastructure, very good infrastructure, such as roads, buildings, apartments, this type of thing we should have to be making. So by this situation, we have to be cut many more trees, because in the city there is not a lot of space where you can make a buildings, apartment, this type of things. Then this is the seventh point. And if we move forward to the eighth point is decreasing air moisture due to climate change will also result in declining plant growth. If the air moisture is declining, then plant is not capable to grow there. That's why this is the eighth point. I think we should have to be revise what is that eighth point. First one is population, second one is agriculture, third one is industrialization, fourth one is mining, fifth one is infrastructure, sixth one is growing energy, seventh one what we will discuss earlier. Seventh one is decreasing air moisture. Okay, this is the point what I have discussed earlier. And if we conclude it overall, if we conclude it, then we should have to be maintain a balance between the development and the environment. We should have to be take major steps, important steps, so that our environment, our nature can be restored. Because as we all know, this is the problem, and if problem arises, then solution will also be there. then we should have to be move forward to the solution part, not a problem part. Okay. Till now, thank you so much. Meet in the next video. In the next video, what we will discuss, I will tell you in the next video. Okay. Thank you so much.